What if I told you that right now, today, there are 5 AI tools sitting on the internet, completely free, that people are using to make hundreds and even thousands of dollars every single month? And most people have no idea these tools exist. I'm not talking about anything complicated. No coding, no special degree, no startup capital, just you, a laptop, and the right AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly which 5 tools they are, what each one does, and most importantly, how you can start using them today to make real money. Stay until the end because tool number 5 is the one almost nobody talks about, and it might be the most powerful of all. Let's start with the most obvious one, ChatGPT by OpenAI. But here's what most people get wrong. They use it to chat, when they should be using it to earn. The free version of ChatGPT is genuinely powerful enough to make you money in at least 4 different ways. First, freelance writing. Businesses need blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, and social media content every single day. They pay between $50 and $500 per piece. You can use ChatGPT to generate a first draft in under 2 minutes, then edit it slightly to add your voice and deliver a professional result. Second, you can use ChatGPT to write and sell digital products, things like ebooks, guides, templates, and checklists. Put them on Gumroad or Etsy and they sell while you sleep. The free tier gives you plenty of access, and if you upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for $20 a month, you unlock GPT-4o, which is significantly more powerful for professional work. Tool number 2 is ElevenLabs, and this one is a game changer for content creators. ElevenLabs lets you create hyper-realistic AI voiceovers from text. The voice quality is so good that most listeners cannot tell it apart from a real human. And the free tier gives you enough monthly credits to produce 2 to 3 videos per week. So how do you make money with it? Podcast production. Many businesses want to turn their blog content into audio format but don't want to record themselves. You can offer this as a service on Fiverr or Upwork. Charge $30 to $100 per audio file and use ElevenLabs to produce it in minutes. You can also use it for your own YouTube channel, which is exactly how this video's narration was created. Faceless YouTube channels using AI voiceovers are earning thousands of dollars per month in ad revenue alone. Tool number 3 is Canva, but specifically its AI features. Most people know Canva for making designs, but its AI tools take it to a completely different level. The Magic Design feature, the AI background remover, and the text-to-image generator are all available on the free plan. Here's the money opportunity: social media management. Small businesses are desperate for consistent, high-quality social media posts. They don't have time to design them. You can offer a social media package, 30 posts per month for $200 to $500, and use Canva AI to produce all 30 in less than 3 hours. At that rate, with just 5 clients, you're making $1,000 to $2,500 per month. And you can manage everything from your phone. Tool number 4 is Gamma, and this is one that most people have never heard of. Gamma is an AI presentation builder. You give it a topic, it builds a beautiful, professional presentation in under 60 seconds. Decks that would take a professional designer 3 to 4 hours to create. And the free plan lets you create up to 10 presentations. The income opportunity here is massive. Students, entrepreneurs, and executives all need presentations constantly. On Fiverr, presentation design services charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per deck. You can take a client's rough notes, paste them into Gamma, refine the output in 15 minutes, and deliver a polished deck. 3 to 5 of these per week and you have a real income stream. And now for tool number 5, the one I promised you at the start. Perplexity AI. Perplexity is an AI research engine that gives you real-time, cited information from the internet. Think of it as a supercharged search engine with AI analysis built in. Here's why it makes you money. Research services. Many content creators, writers, lawyers, consultants, and business owners need deep research done fast. They will pay $25 to $150 per research report. You use Perplexity to gather all the sources and data in minutes, then use ChatGPT to write it up professionally and deliver a polished research document. Combine these 2 tools and you have a research and writing service that runs almost entirely on AI with minimal human effort. Some people doing this are completing 5 to 10 research projects per week. So let's recap what we covered today. 5 completely free AI tools that can make you real money. ChatGPT for writing and digital products. ElevenLabs for voiceovers and audio content. Canva AI for social media management services. Gamma for professional presentation design. And Perplexity for research and report writing. Here's the most important thing I want you to take away from this video. Don't try to use all 5 at once. Pick the one that matches your existing skills or interests, focus on it for 2 full weeks, and start offering that as a service to real clients. The people making real money with AI right now are not the most talented, they are the most consistent. Show up, deliver value, and the income follows. If this video gave you value, please hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second and it helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And if you want my complete step-by-step guide on how to start your first AI income stream from zero, I've linked that video on screen right now. Go watch it after this. Also make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because next week I'm breaking down the single most profitable AI skill you can learn in 2026. And you don't want to miss that one. See you in the next video.